Mango Math presents Over the Rainbow, a first grade game. Over the Rainbow is a first grade game that follows with the math strand of algebraic thinking. And it's an algebraic thinking game that helps students determine the unknown whole number and addition or subtraction equation relating to three whole numbers. Over the Rainbow has some math terms to help increase understanding. They are difference, the amount found when subtracting numbers; input, numbers placed into a problem; solve, to determine an answer. In the plastic envelope, along with the instruction sheet and the directions, will be the game board, a 20-sided die, a 10-sided die, and some pawns. In order to play the game, the students will start with their game board, and they will roll dice to get a total. So put that number in the box that coordinates with the colors. So the white dice will go into the white box, and the yellow dice or orangish dice will go into the yellow box. So in this case it was a 19, and that goes in there. The students will figure out 3 plus what number equals 19. They will write their answer in the cloud, and then they will move their pawn 19 or 16 places and get on the 16. The students will roll again, and this student's turn will come up with a 7 and a 1. And because the 7 is the larger of the two numbers, it has to go into the subtraction boxes. So the 7 will go into the white space, the 1 will go into the yellow space, because I can't have a 7 plus a number equals 1, because that doesn't work out. So it's going to have to be 7 minus the number equals 1, and the student will figure out what number that is. In this case it's 6, and they'll move their pawn to the 6th spot. This game will continue with the students rolling dice and putting their equations into the game board somehow until one person goes over the rainbow, meaning they get off, they create a number that takes them past 20. And they'll keep playing that way. This game can go on for a long time depending on the roll of the dice, or it can be very short and they play again. But it's a great way for them to start thinking about what is the number, the missing number. Some guided questions to promote critical thinking. Explain your thoughts when figuring out the unknown number. What strategy did you use? And how did you determine if the problem was going to be an addition problem or a subtraction problem? So you want them thinking about the numbers and how they come up and how they can make them into an equation. Great game. Students love playing it. Enjoy.